Toyota's toughest family 4x4 is about to level up. Here's what's real, what's rumored, and what actually matters if you're thinking Fortuner for 2026. Welcome to CarSwag. Subscribe for more. First, reality. Toyota already sells a mild hybrid Fortuner in multiple markets. That tells us electrification is no longer theory on this platform, it's the baseline. Chassis direction comes down to two paths. One, a jump to Toyota's GAF architecture, the Land Cruiser and new 4Runner family, for a big gain in stiffness, refinement, and safety structure. Two, an evolved IMV ladder frame alongside the next Hilux, keeping the proven dimensions but modernizing the guts. Current signals suggest the evolved IMV path has momentum, which usually means Fortuner follows. Powertrains are where it gets interesting. Expect the 2.8-liter diesel with 48-volt assist to carry the volume in diesel regions. The headline play is a 2.4-liter turbo petrol strong hybrid, similar to Toyota's iForce Max setup. In related models, that package delivers around 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet. If Toyota adapts it to Fortuner, you're looking at a big step in real-world torque, towing confidence, and emissions compliance. Design should lean tougher and squarer with slimmer LEDs, while the cabin steps up with a bigger screen, a digital cluster and upper trims, and Toyota's latest safety sense. Think of it as bringing that calmer, cleaner TNGAF cockpit vibe to a family 4x4 that still loves the rough stuff. Quick money reality, in dollars only. The current Fortuner range across major markets works out to roughly $31,000 to $61,000 USD equivalent from base to fully loaded. Mild hybrid versions usually add just a few $100s over the same non-hybrid trim. If a full hybrid lands, plan on roughly $1,000 to $3,000 USD more, depending on equipment. What that means for 2026? Expect entry trims to sit in the mid-30s to low 40s in USD terms, depending on market, well-spec'd mid-trims in the low to mid-50s, and halo variants nudging around 60. The actual sticker will swing with local taxes, but the ballpark is set. Against Ford Everest, the story's familiar. Everest wins on cabin polish and driver assist breadth. Fortuner punches back with durability, resale, and dealer coverage. If Toyota nails the platform updates and adds hybrid torque, that gap gets very small, very fast. If you're planning ownership, start simple. Quality all-terrains, matched shocks with a mild lift, and a sway bar or bushing tidy-up for cleaner body control. Touring setups get a snorkel and underbody protection. On mild hybrid models, wire winch and dual battery through a proper DC to DC plan so the 48-volt system stays happy for the long haul. Bottom line, if Fortuner graduates to GAF with a strong hybrid, it becomes the benchmark. If it evolves IMV, expect smarter tech, better road manners, and the same bulletproof character, with pricing that makes sense in dollars. If you want launch day buyer guides and no-fluff mod pathways when Toyota finally pulls the cover, hit subscribe to CarSwag.